And more rain chances are expected into the weekend as Tropical Storm Beta strengthens.
We have Chief Meteorologist Isaac Williams, who is monitoring Beta hour by hour and has the latest. Isaac?
Yeah, new information may lead to some better weather around here. We'll wait and see. We've got the new track coming up here in just a second. We had almost an inch of rain on the island today. 94/100ths of an inch falling there, just over a third of an inch in Harlingen, as well as Raymondville, and about a tenth there in Weslaco. This evening, radar quieting down nicely. It's a dry night. I expect it to stay that way for the rest of this evening. Looking at clear sky conditions at Harlingen Airport, 75 degrees. Winds out of the west and northwest at 7 miles per hour. Slipping into the 60s. Edinburgh, 69. McAllen, 74. Weslaco down to 73. We're going to continue to see temperatures hold steady in the 70s overnight with a partly cloudy sky. Tomorrow, just a small chance of rain to kick off the weekend, with highs reaching the mid-80s to upper 80s, around 87 degrees. Looking at your weekend need-to-knows, a smaller rain chance tomorrow. Sunday starts dry. It could turn wetter late Sunday, and then potentially some heavier rain moves in Sunday night and into Monday as the center of Tropical Storm Beta inches closer to at least parts of the Texas coastline. As I mentioned before the newscast on our Facebook page, Beta is now stronger. 60-mile-per-hour winds being found by the hurricane hunters, gusting to 70. So it is noticeably stronger than it was at 4 o'clock. It is moving to the north-northeast at 12 miles per hour. And again, you'd think that the center's right here in the middle of that blob, but it's actually back here. Some of these storms are being sheared off of the center, and that's preventing major strengthening, but it is in an environment to where it will continue to slowly strengthen and become a hurricane, likely by Sunday morning, if not sooner, as it's moving to the west. Now, the latest track does pull this closer to Corpus Christi during the day on Monday. And again, this is the latest track, and then it curves basically and hugs the coast up to Houston during the day Tuesday and Wednesday. Notice how some of the valley's been removed from the cone of uncertainty, so we could potentially be looking at a better scenario in terms of overall impacts, which is some good news, but I'd call that cautious optimism at this point. Tropical forecasting this year has proven to be quite problematic at times. During the day tomorrow, though, we're looking at plenty of dry weather across the valley. And getting into your Sunday, you will see the outer edges of the moisture from Beta getting closer to the coastline. I do expect a few showers to be rolling in at times Sunday afternoon and into Sunday evening. At this point, I don't expect a sustained heavy rain Sunday afternoon and evening. I think that's going to hold off until sometime potentially on Monday. Now, our computer model is sort of in disagreement with the Hurricane Center's track at the moment. And it does keep Tropical Storm Beta closer to the valley and our rain chances accordingly higher for Monday and into early Tuesday morning. So this is something that we're going to have to continue to watch. Nonetheless, there's a coastal flood watch in effect for coastal Cameron and Willacy counties. There's also a new tropical storm watch that's now in effect for some of those same areas, and it's because we could see tropical storm force winds get there by Sunday evening. But I want to show you in terms of probability during the day Monday, you can see that the highest probability of tropical storm force winds likely to stay offshore, but we could certainly see some gustier winds along the island and lower valley during the day on Monday and Tuesday. After Monday and Tuesday, we're kind of get rid of Beta in whatever form, and then the rest of the week looking much better. Hot and humid weather back with us as conditions start to dry out starting on Wednesday through the end of the week. Stay with us on Local 23 News at 10. We're back after this.